7. Driving early to work. Now because everyone does it, it's the same as the rush hour, or driving in general. It's difficult to get anywhere with the traffic now. 8. Among Us was a good game, but because of all the toddlers playing it, it got completely ruined. 9. Podcasting. 10. Fidget spinners. Originally, they were made for people with ADHD as something to help keep them from getting distracted by giving their subconscious mind something to do. Somehow, it becomes a huge fucking meme, and before long, like everything that becomes popular on the internet, it was popularized to the point where suddenly, the cool thing to do was to hate it and everyone who uses one. 11. My dream of buying a van and converting it. 12. Social media, becoming a YouTuber.